Hi, how do you make money with Global Domains International, or GDI for short, in 2025 and beyond? Hi, I'm Carol Reve. Welcome to my channel. It's probably not what you think I'm going to say that it is on how to make money. You don't have to bug family and friends. You don't have to worry. They're not going to see you coming and run the other way. But you do with GDI. You need a system set up that does the selling and telling for you. And if you're like me, this grandma needed something budget friendly, something that wasn't going to cost me thousands of dollars to run so that I could have success online. Well, I've tried some funnels over the years and I didn't find anything. So what I did is I took all that I learned over the years from the different programs and I put it into my own budget friendly, affordable funnel. And you can see that at carol.ws. And it does the selling and telling for you, so you don't have to. Well, you do have to drive traffic. Well, you may ask, Carol, I don't know where to get traffic. Where do I get the traffic from? Well, I'm glad you asked. My best traffic resources are inside the funnel, and they're all budget friendly. Anywhere's from $7 a month cost to a one-time $25 cost. Okay, so they're budget friendly. It does the selling and telling for you so you can go live your life. You can spend the time with your family. You can spend time with your grandkids, like I'm about right now, ready to go and take my granddaughter to the playground. So I'm very grateful, and this funnel works. Let me tell you, it's worked even better than I thought it was gonna. But I think it's because it's budget friendly, because people need a budget friendly funnel. And that as you start to earn commissions and you start to grow, then you can just scale it and purchase more traffic and drive more traffic, which builds your list more. And then, it earns you more commissions, and then you buy more traffic. And you just keep scaling it more and more as you go. Okay? So anyways, again, you can go to carol.ws and begin your journey of success with Global Domains International today.